Good afternoon. Yeah, I hope you're well. So today we are doing Kongo River and the African map tour. So let's see how it is. So currently we just started from Kongo River. Let me show you around. It's so beautiful.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
We are finally here at the map of Africa. So this is the Tiwi map of Africa pool. So we are just going to the pool. Tunaenda hivi? Uh-huh. Oh, okay. So something to note, be here early because water starts coming back at from 1 to 1:30 thereabouts. So we're just going to see it. We're going down the rocks. Let me show you. Mtu anaweza kuteremkia hapa? Hapa. Inakaa scary.
You have two options.
Uh-huh.
Either to come that side, the ocean side.
Oh, from the ocean side.
Yeah. When it's low tide.
Uh-huh.
But not because it's high tide, that's why we have to
Oh, this side.
So what you
Oh.
have to do,
Uh-huh. Hey, inakaa kadogo risky. Uh-huh.
sit.
Unakaa hapo tu chini. Oh, so we have finally managed to come down. So there are actually steps. So it is looking risky from above.
You know this?
This is sea urchin. Nimeinini kwa ile boat ride. So this is the sea urchin. I think from the glass boat. I've done the glass boat several so I've seen it. So let's see if we can see the map of Africa. So this is where it is. So I've been told if I walk this way, I can see it. So currently the tide is about to, or the water is about to come back. You can see that white line. That's where the water is coming back. It's just showing it's coming back. So let's see if we can see the map of Africa. I've said if I walk to this side, I'll see it. So let me try and see. So this is where the pool is. So this is Cape Town, South Africa. Fully soon will be there. Ah, okay, yeah, it's actually visible. But I don't know if it will be possible to capture it on camera. But it's possible. I'm actually seeing the map. So I don't know if it's possible. Let me try and zoom out. So you can see. So that's the west coast or the west of Africa. Then all the way that people swimming. Then this is that part of Eritrea, Somalia, and Djibouti. Then Kenya is somewhere in between. Then all the way to here, this is now South Africa. So actually, I think I'll try and see if I can get an aerial view when we are back up there. But it's possible. It's viewable actually. Yes. Look at that. So the best is to come back earlier so that you can actually go as far as where those guys are. I don't know if it's visible, but where people are over there. So right now as the water comes back, it becomes a bit impossible. Yeah, so that's the view.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want.
So we are now back to the Kongo River. Look at this wonder. Let me just show you. It's such a beautiful scenery. And I think one of the miracles of God and wonders of the world is look at this river, the Kongo River. You can see the two tributaries. That's one. And then there's the other one. Then now it goes all the way up to there. I think we'll do a sunset cruise at night, so you'll see. Then it comes and joins. There's also this ocean on this other side. So according to what I've been told, is that there are times now this ocean and now the Kongo River on this side joins. When like in the next 3 months, it will have the tide will be too high, so they'll have joined. But right now, that's the separation. Just look at it. Look at that. And then over there, I've been told by the guide that's the dike. So that's where there are those red flags. It's just where It's just where guys have maybe get too excited, then you pass by, and then now the water becomes too much, and some people have died over there. So be cautious when you're coming to this side and the tides are high. But look at that, the beauty of that and the river at the Kongo River. Yeah, so let's go have maybe a drink or something as we wait for around 4-5. It's currently 3, so the tour guide has said by 4:30 latest, that's when someone should be here at the Kongo River, so that you can now have the sunset cruise from around 4:35 onwards, so that you don't miss the sunset. Apparently over here it has one of the best sunsets in the world. I hope to capture that, and it will be nice. I'm hoping so, and the weather will be good for that. Imagine. Yeah, so let's go and wait. So currently I'm only the only tourist who is the guide right now, but for the sunset cruise he's going to pick others at 4. Yeah, so that's part of being a solo traveler. There are times you just have to enjoy alone, then other times you have to join others. So yeah, others will be joining at around 4 other guests and enjoy together the sunset cruise. But for now, let's go and relax, digest that beauty. Oh my, wonderful, the Kongo River and the Indian Ocean. Then I've met some other guys who are with at the map of Africa over there in Tiwi. They're also very nice, so got to enjoy the map of Africa. So hopefully I'll also get time within this period to go to see the map of Australia. Currently the tides are high, so we couldn't get to see the map of Australia. So tomorrow I'm hoping I can come earlier at around 9-10. Yep, that's what it is. Kwa hizo vitu za red kali mmesema, that's where a lot of people
are so strong on this position, like there are a lot of strong moving currents. Alafu now this is like the place yenye hii river na ocean, kama ikifunguka hapa
pakifunguka funguka kumaanisha
as in when this sand ikiondoka
ikiondoka
hii unapata hii river inashikana na bahari, kwa hiyo inakuwa ni not very safe.
Not very safe. Yeah. Oh, but kama sasa iko sawa, jumaji haikuji huku.
Sasa at least sasa tunaweza tunaona sasa tunavuka tunatembea.
Oh, na hii ni bump ya kuzuia. So the tour guide has decided to market himself. He wasn't sure whether he wanted to, but he's agreed to be on video, so you can check him out over here in just the next clip. There he says all about the safari. So far he's good. I can't complain, or I can't say anything negative so far. I've enjoyed the whole excursion, just waiting for 4:30 to go for the sunset cruise. Yeah, he's very patient and very understanding. Actually, this was a very impromptu trip. I had not made up my mind, but he was so accommodating. Imagine. Yeah, so I can't say anything negative so far. I've enjoyed everything. So book him for your next excursion. So for now, let's relax and enjoy some soda or juice before the sunset cruise.
Welcome to Diani Beach. Welcome to Tiwi. My name is Amani, and I'm a tour operator and a travel agent based in Diani Beach, Kenya. Anyone willing to plan a trip or organize a safari, you can get my contacts and hit me up. We'll organize for you the best prices, the best package possible, and we can arrange for you. Why you can try the sunset cruise and the mangrove trip. In front of me is the Tiwi River, Kongo River, and it's very famous for the sunset. You can visit Diani and enjoy one of the best views and scenery around. The Kongo River is sometimes joined to the Indian Ocean, but at the moment it's separated. As you can see, there's a big amount of sand in between. A lot of tourists and a lot of foreigners enjoy the excursion. So other things to do in Diani is the sunset cruise and African pool map. We have the trips to Wasini and also Shimbails. The African pool, we have two natural pools. One is African and the other one is Australian pole. These are naturally, they are not man-made, and anyone who will be willing to do it will have a joint package for both African and Australian continent excursion. In the Australian continent, where we have the 2 caves with light penetrating inside, with very nice views and pictures, very great fish. So I'm looking forward to hear from you, and expecting you can join me in your trips. When you visit Diani, visit Amani, and let's enjoy the trip together. Thank you very much. My pleasure.
So I actually got him on via Google My Business. He was among the first 2 or the 2 tour safaris that have the sunset cruise. So I think his was just called Sunset Cruise, Kongo River Sunset Cruise, and then there was another one called Kongo River Do Sunset Cruise. So his was Kongo River Sunset Cruise, and he had very good reviews. So that's why I just opted to go with that one. And so far he's been good and very accommodating. Yeah, so book him for now. Let's relax and enjoy some soda, and we'll be abiding as we wait for the sunset cruise. So we are now off for the sunset cruise. Let's see how it is, but you see, it has one of the best sunsets in the world. I think it's the best, I don't know, but from here I can see the sun and it's looking so spectacular already. So let's go and see. So far that's what I'm talking about. I don't know if it's visible, but we'll be taken to a place where we'll see a very nice sunset. Look at that, and they've not yet even entered the pool, the river, but it's just that we're going to see a place where we can see it better. So we've already started the cruise. We're going with this boat, so in such a boat.
Huh?
So we are looking, look at that sunset. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, so the cruise will take like 1 hour or so. The mangroves. Beautiful sunset. This is female.
So, which one is female and which one is male?
Female
Male is this one.
On left,
So if
male, left, male.
How do you know the difference? Oh, rangi mbili. Oh, the difference in the female is lighter. Oh, the female is lighter. Lighter, and then the male is darker. Ah, okay.
So if I was a mangrove, I will be this one.
Yes. But this one is mixed, female and male. Seems like it's both female and male. Like sunset is definitely one to come for. About the golden hour sitting there. The river so beautifully.
When you guys just like okay.
It's there?
Ah, good.
Good place. Why is it called that way? Are you guys okay being on my YouTube video? Chloe, nice captain. Mko sawa kukua kwa video? You okay being on a YouTube video? Are you okay being on a YouTube video? Okay. Mm-hmm. That was a beautiful ride. We got to see a very good sunrise, though towards the end. So that I'm visible because it's not dark, but towards, yeah, no, that is better. Towards the end, it was now cloudy, so the sun was blocked, but what a beautiful, stunning sunset. Oh my, I wish I can come here again, and when now the clouds won't be covering the sun, but that's unpredictable, but it was a very nice sunset. Now we have the sunrise. I don't know if it's visible. Yeah, a very cute full moon. Yeah, so I enjoyed every bit of it. So yeah, let's go and relax and unwind. And I hope you enjoyed the day with me and had a wonderful day as I did through this video. So remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And look at that moon. Then you can also have a cute little bonfire like those ones. So this is a plan. If you have your squad, you just enjoy a lovely sunset, a lovely moonrise with your bonfire. You enjoy your night near the ocean, between the river with two tributaries. Lovely.